and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will run Alpha 1 iBot that you also can have completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Only by using my link can you have a minimum deposit of $100. Only by using my link can you get to use my robot. If you go in manually, you will not have any of these advantages. Okay. Also below the video you'll find my promo code, so you get 100% on your first deposit. Also check out my copy trading for Forex, costs only $16 a month. But before we start, I did go some crazy. I did see some perfect setup for manual trading, and as you can see I got two. One did go in zero, then I did go right in again, and you can see we got a huge win. So check my balance now. But that's not enough for today. I will also run the robot, and I'm looking for a huge profit. So let's go over here now. I have already checked investing.com, and I already know the market is amazing. So let's start up the robot. Let's push run. Let's wait for a trade to occur. So now we're going to wait for a trade. Let's wait and see. Take any time now, and when the trade comes, we will turn on some music and I will update you how we did after. So let's wait and see. For investing.com, basically what I'm looking for is something like this. We go to investing.com here. We can do that while we're waiting for the trade. We go here, go to news, we go to economic calendar. And basically what we're looking for is that you see this line here. You see only in 59 minutes there are news for dollar, so we are good to go right now. So let's go back here and let's see. I forgot, then we have running here, okay, cool. We are in a Litecoin trade, so let's see. Yeah, I think that's a nice trade. So then we will see in 6 minutes how we did. And just like that, $5,189. Pretty amazing. I've got some people asking me why you don't make a withdraw video. I can tell you that much. Yes, of course I will make a withdraw video, but I'm planning to build up account. Does not make sense for me to withdraw. I know I can withdraw because I have done before from this broker. So I don't want to make a video just to make a video for people that want to see that. I want to build up my account first and then I will withdraw. So a withdraw video will come, but only when I'm satisfied with the amount of money I have in the account. So for that, have an amazing day. Get my robot below video. Make sure you like, subscribe and all this good stuff. So with that, have an amazing day.